Welcome, guys. If you want to see how I prepare this chicken in my Caribbean way, please stay tuned.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
This is the turkey wings already seasoned. This is the piece. I do not know its name. And we are going to be adding carrots because my daughter loves carrots. I thought the phone was filming, but it was not filming, unfortunately. This is the gravy browning that I added with just a little oil, and then I'm here adding the turkey wings. I do not like my turkey wings big. This is why I chopped it small like this. So we are gonna be stewing this chicken in my own Caribbean way. So just keep watching. I will not be doing much talking in this video, guys. So after adding everything together, we go ahead and give it a stir too, so everything will be well combined. After stirring, we'll just cover it for 1 to 2 minutes so that it will be good enough to add water. See, I did not add any water to it at this point. So
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
at this point, we are going to be adding the carrots because I want it to be really stuffed inside this meat. We will let it cover and stew for 2 minutes, and then we will be adding the peas after. So if you guys know the name of this green peas that I'm gonna be adding to this meat, please leave it down below because I do not know the name of these peas. This is the seasoning that the chicken was in, so I'm just gonna pour it inside the pot instead of throwing it away. So at this point, we are checking to see if it is very soft enough because you know now turkey wings can be very hard at times. So yeah, if it is soft enough, then I'll go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. Inside this bowl, there is basil, paprika, Old Bay seasoning. Yes, I love adding Old Bay seasoning to my chicken. There is turmeric and some curry. Yeah.
Ça qui ni devant moi. Venez moi, ça qui a l'entour moi. Venez moi, venez moi. Baby vaut mieux nous prendre mollo. A beaucoup même présenté au polo. A beaucoup même présenté au polo. Où j'avais moins bah mon solo. Où j'avais moins bah mon solo. Chaque fois qu'il y a au café tonneau. Chaque fois qu'il y a au café tonneau. Si un poignant sans interdit. Si un poignant sans interdit. On savent que ça qui fin dirty. On savent que ça qui fin dirty. puis ni problème, c'est non merci. C'est non merci. Bilan n'est qu'à passer bien investi. Non pas savent sans qu'aille trouver, m'en savent ça qui n'est devant moi. Nous sortis joindre et tout ça, tout frais, faut connaître ça qui y a l'entour en moi. Où j'allais, viens pas qu'à douter, m'en fais pas que c'est tout en moi. Pas comprendre, on s'en foutait, baby, ou à coup en moi. Menez-moi loin, il dit moi, menez-moi loin. Menez-moi loin, il dit moi, menez, chaillez. Il dit moi, il va aimer suspense. Comportement moins suspect. Comportement moins suspect. A pas tout le temps aimer distrait. A pas tout le temps aimer distrait. Il doit qu'à comprendre un cabayon disquette. Il doit qu'à comprendre un cabayon disquette. En cas senti faut nous ralentir. On veut pas voir anéanti. La haine pas faux même mon centime. Mais à la base on est sentiments. Envie.
I'm a born Lucia, and I'm proud of where I'm from. Look how we having fun tonight, and everything is just right. We are the healing of the West. That's why we're different from the rest. I love to be a Lucia, and I'm proud of where I'm from. Fond memories never fade. This country means so much to me. Everywhere I go, I take a piece with me. She's the healing of the West. Her loving people are the best. I love to be illusion. I'm proud of where I'm from. I'm a born Lucia, and I'm proud of where I'm from. Look how we having fun tonight, and everything is just right.
It is all ready. We are gonna be eating it with some basmati rice. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.